This is a new video about the CapCut app, and right now I will show you how to remove unwanted TikTok watermark using this application, so let's check settings. So I have opened my CapCut app and let's pick on the camera section album to create a new project using some video or photo from a gallery. Let's import it. Don't forget to remove the default CapCut ending with the logo, with the CapCut logo. And guys, the first method I will show you is very simple and very easy to do. So we just need to tap on our video line. Right now we have the blue borders on the video and we need to little bit increase our video to cut it and disable this part of the watermark on our video tutorial. So sorry. So I need to set 2 fingers and hold my video on, little bit increasing it after cropping. So guys, it's very easy to do. Let's check result after tapping on this full screen option and clicking on the play. It's very easy to do, very easy to repeat, but if you don't want to crop your video because it's a very big minus, we have the second method to show you how to remove the unwanted watermark. So I will open the same video as an example to show you the second method. So you can use the sticker, text or another option to allocate it on the watermark to hide this watermark. It's very simple to do. You just need to pick on the sticker option here and tap on the needful sticker you want. Don't forget that you can rotate it, increase or decrease it in a different way you want, prefer, and locate it on the watermark to hide this watermark. Let's tap on the check mark to save changes and let's go to the full screen mode to check the result. Also, don't forget that you can use some text, picture to over on your watermark to hide it. But if you don't want to make some changes on this video, if you want to save it clean, we have the third option to show you. Let's open this same project, remove the default ending, and guys, right now the third option is the most interesting because we need to create a copy of our video and also to copy some part of our video and relocate it on the watermark to hide it. It's very cool. Let's check how to do this. So we need to tap on the overlay, add overlay, and choose the same video. Okay, don't forget to increase it a little bit to the full screen mode. And guys, what we need to do right now, we need to tap our choice on the second line, drag a little bit our appearance menu, go to the mask feature. I really love this option. Let's locate it on the part video I want to copy. Let's also change its size. Guys, right now we need to tap on this check mark to save changes. And as you can check, guys, we have this copied part of our video. Let's set it here to hide the unneedful and unwanted watermark. Unfortunately, this option is most interesting and most useful for photos only, because as you can check, we have these borders right now and you can see that this is the added option. Let's check the result. But using other options, using overlay, using some filters, you can hide this borders effect to make your video more realistic. And guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. As I said before, I hope that you can find some features for yourself to use for editing your own video and recordings. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to save some comments below and subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and guides. So goodbye guys, good luck!